Three other nice features are presets, batch mode, and multi-page. With presets, we can jump between different settings that we may have saved for different projects. In this case, I currently am at color photo, and I've made changes to it by increasing the red hue and decreasing the blue hue for whatever document I might be scanning. I can also change my contrast, my brightness, my white point, and my black point. Just have it a little bit off of what it normally would be. And I want to customize, then save that setting. So I'd come up here to save, click more, make sure that these options have been checked, and then rename this to be whatever I want it to be. Color photo edited. Click OK, and now we have this preset. If I change this to color photo, it pushes it all back to whatever the default was. If I switch back to my color photo edited, it makes those changes for me automatically. The other function we were talking about is batch. Batch mode allows us to automatically start scanning the next document without having to come back to this computer to interact. Once we've made sure our output file is incremented, we can simply load the first document, click scan, and then stand at the scanner and continuously insert more documents as the next one finishes. The multi-page function allows us to instead scan several documents and save it as a single file. It will walk you through how to go through the next step to either close the file when you're finally finished or to scan the next page for that document. Please note that after you've saved the file, you will have to use third-party software to edit if you realize one of the files was scanned badly. This is why we recommend using batch mode instead, scanning all the documents individually, and then once you've been sure that they're all okay, using a third-party software to combine them, such as Adobe Acrobat. You also have up here under Help, information about Nextimage, which will tell you your Nextimage version, your edition that you're using, and who it might be registered to. You can also come up here to do release notes, which will tell you some changes to check to see if this version supports your scanner or if it supports the printers that you're trying to use. Under Tools, you can set up your printers, your one-touch setup options, which will use those predefined settings that we used earlier. Here, you can choose those presets. Underneath Tools, again, Options allows us to make some smaller changes such as units of measurements, paper series, scan history, and then other issues here.